What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be telling you guys how to set up a welcome email in the Mailchimp. For that, the process is very simple. But what you actually have to do is to open up the Mailchimp website and log in with your official account. Once you are done with that, you will head over to this dashboard. On the left-hand side, you will see plenty of options. Just go ahead and click on automations, and you'll be able to even from or starter plan or a free plan, you're still able to have options like welcome message, welcome subscriber message, and all this stuff. But what you have to do is to search for that welcome new contacts, just like this one. So what you have to do is you can edit this, and once you have added this one, then you will be able to sync it with your contact list. So where you guys can get the contact list is in the audience. You can add a contact, and the top right corner you see that, and it says import contacts. And once you import contacts, you'll be able to upload your CSV file and copy paste it directly from your spreadsheet. Once you have done that, then you'll be able to, you know, send a welcome email to those contact lists. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.